S2S are very keen on corporate sustainability. We looked at all the sustainable development goals and we went through an exercise of determining which ones were most relevant to us. And we chose Goal 8, Goal 12 and Goal 13. We looked again at the goals that we'd chosen that we felt we could do something about. And then what we did is we set goals and targets around that themselves.
By the end of 2022, S2S have committed to be a living wage employer. We are also looking to increase our staff level to over 50 people by the end of this year. Along with that, we are looking to spend at least 25% with local suppliers. So S2S are going to continue to strive to meet these goals that we've set, but we're also going to work to create more targets, working towards increasing what we're doing in our local community.
I would definitely encourage people and companies to learn more about the sustainability goals because it's a sustainable way to run your business.